What is up, people? I am Ryan D'Souza, aka The Savage Wife. And basically, what I planned is to make a playlist of videos where I'll be reviewing and discussing music, hip hop music in general. I already reviewed Mera Bhai by Divine and Guman by Tala Anjum and Tala Yunus. And honestly speaking, Guman was literally one of the best Urdu hip hop music that I have heard till date. And through Guman, I found Tala Anjum, of course, and he is, I can say that one of the best rappers that Pakistan has right now. And basically, Tala Anjum made a song called Changes. It's a metal remix. Now, I wouldn't really discuss the whole video because I'm not really a metal fan, no offense. Someday, maybe we can even do that. But I like hip hop, so I'm going to stick with hip hop. And basically, Tala Anjum's lyrics here is about, breakup and love and, that emotional trauma that he's going through. So the song is, his verse is literally the best right here. So let's just start watching the video.
कैसे न करूं ये शायरी तेरी नजर में तेरी आंखों में देखा है खुद को मैं कुछ भी नहीं तेरी नजर में
अरे यार, this is why Tala Anjum is so amazing. He starts the song and the first few lyrics are on point. They are so damn deep.
अगर मैं दर बदर तो फिर दर बदर ही ठीक मगर मैं हर तरफ से बरतरफ होके आया हूं तेरी गली असल में change is good change is bad too change is life
असल में change is good, change is bad, change is life, man. In the a lot of people say that यार तू इतना sad क्यों है यार, what, maybe this change is good. You'll keep a positive attitude, and it's okay, this is not that bad, and they'll downplay your emotions or your everything that's going bad for you. So he's like, change is good, change is bad too, change is life, man, because there are very few things that are constant in life. Death is constant and change is constant.
man लेकिन मैं हारा नहीं अभी I still got some fight left वो कहती थी wife बनेगी ना she's out there looking for a nice guy with a nice job and a nice house and a nice tie fuck a nice guy.
The lyrics. This is true, right? People like us, basically artists, let it be YouTubers, actors, rappers, singers. What happens with us? We are living a high risk, high reward life. And how do I explain this? When you go for a in a relationship, maybe she was looking for security, she was looking for safety, and she wasn't, patient enough to see him rise. He is one of the best rappers today, and look what, he still doesn't have her. And that pain, she wanted a nice guy with a nice tie. Basically, she wanted someone who would do a 9 to 5. Basically, maybe she wanted to marry a CA, for all you know. And that's what it is. That's what pains, right?
कभी कभी कहता हूँ खुद से let it go तलहा stop trying जी के देख थोड़ा stop dying out of sight है तू out of mind नहीं.
Basically, there's a saying that if someone is out of sight, they will even be out of your mind. So he's like, to out of sight hai. She's nowhere to be seen in his life right now. Maybe he doesn't even have any contact with her, but she's not out of his mind. Tala zara ji ke dekh, stop dying.
अब मेरे गानों की कोई हाइप नहीं सडनली अब मैं तेरा टाइप नहीं लेकिन मैं गाता हूँ तेरे लिए मुझे चाहिए कोई बीट नहीं कोई कलम नहीं कोई माइक नहीं नशे में देखे जो डे ड्रीम्स होश में लगे वो नाइटमेयर्स.
Oh my god, lyrics देख रहे हो आप? So he's like नशे में देखे थे जो डे ड्रीम्स. So basically when he was high, she was with him. And then when he woke up, he realized in his reality right now, she's nowhere. He's searching for her and now his reality is a nightmare.
क्या हम मिलेंगे कभी उम्मीद नहीं है सवाल है फैंस को लगता ये मेरा उरूज है मुझसे पूछो तो ये मेरा सवाल है.
अरे यार, so amazing. Fans को पूछो तो ये मेरा उरूज है. The fans are thinking that wow, Tala Anjum is on the rise. But in truth, he can only see his come downs, his, life में he can only see his lows. This is actually his low. So man, this is a beautiful song. Do check it out.